Welcome, friend. The method of loci, also known as the memory palace technique, is a mnemonic device or memory technique that dates back to ancient Greek and Roman times. It is a method used to enhance memory and recall by associating information with specific locations or places. The method of loci involves mentally visualizing a familiar physical space, such as a house, a route you walk regularly, or any other location that you are familiar with. The process typically involves the following steps. Choose a familiar location. Create a vivid mental image. Associate information with locations. Mentally walk through the location. The idea behind the method of loci is that our brains tend to remember visual and spatial information more easily. By linking the information we want to remember to specific locations or visual cues, we can create a mental map that helps us recall the information later.